Let's try to type some command in our terminal. I'm going to type echo hello world. Here you can see I have missed E in echo command. For that, what I can do is I can use Ctrl+A shortcut key. This will bring the cursor to the beginning of the line. Then I can press E. Now if I hit enter, it will work fine. Thanks for watching. Let's try to type some command in our terminal. I'm going to type echo hello world. Here you can see I have did a typo error. I have wrongly typed E. For that I need to move my cursor to the left hand side by a character. On that case I can use Ctrl+B command which will do the same. It will try to move the cursor by character on the left side. Now if I use backspace then it will delete that character. Now if I try to add the codes and hit enter, it will work fine. Thanks for watching. Today we are going to learn Ctrl+C shortcut key. Now let's get started. It is very easy. Now let me try to show you an example for you. I'm going to use sleep command and I'm going to type the sleep in seconds. Like say I've wrongly typed 10,000 here and I did enter. Now this will block our terminal. We can't execute any other command. First we need to exit this command. To exit this command we use Ctrl+C. This will try to terminate the command. Thanks for watching. Ctrl+D shortcut key is used to close the terminal. Now let's see in action. I'm going to press Ctrl+D. Now it will close the terminal. Here you can see it has been closed. Thanks for watching. Today we are going to learn Ctrl+E shortcut key. Now let's get started. Here I'm going to type some command in my terminal. I'm going to type echo hello. To bring your cursor to the beginning of the line, you need to use Ctrl+A command, which we learned in the first tutorial. To bring your cursor to the end of the line, you need to use Ctrl+E. Here you can see it is moved the cursor to the end of line. Thanks for watching. Learn Ctrl+F shortcut key. Now let's get started. To bring your cursor one character to the left, you need to use Ctrl+B. Here you can see it is moving the cursor character by character on the left side. To move to the right side, you need to use Ctrl+F. Here you can see if I press Ctrl+F, then cursor is moving on the right hand side. Thanks for watching. Today we are going to learn Ctrl+G shortcut key. Now let's get started. To demonstrate this, I need to open reverse search. For that, I need to use Ctrl+R. It will open reverse search. If I try to type any text, it will give me the result for that text. Here you can see it is showing cat_wedge.txt because I have ran this command in past. If I hit enter, it will try to execute this command. Say if I don't want to execute this command, on that case I can use this Ctrl+G. This will skip executing the search result command. Thanks for watching. Today we are going to learn Ctrl+H shortcut key. Now let's get started. Before that, let's try to type some command. I'm going to type cat wedge.txt. This Ctrl+H shortcut key is used as a replacement of backspace. If I try to use Ctrl+H, it will remove text character by character. Here you can see it is removing text character by character. Thanks for watching. And Ctrl+I shortcut key. Now let's get started. Say you know the command prefix but you don't know the entire text of that command. On that case, this shortcut key is very useful. Say I used rm command somewhere else in my past but I don't know the full name of that command. On that case, I can use this Ctrl+I shortcut key, which will try to display all the options which start with this prefix rm. Thanks for watching. Today we are going to learn Ctrl+J shortcut key. Now let's get started. Ctrl+J shortcut key is very useful when your enter key is not working. Let me try to type cat which.txt. Assume that my enter key is not working. On that case, if I use Ctrl+J, it will try to work as same as how enter key works. Thanks for watching. Today we are going to learn Ctrl+K shortcut key. Now let's get started. Here I'm going to type some command in my terminal. I'm going to type echo hello world countries. Say if I want to remove countries, like if I want to remove the text after the cursor, on that case I can use this Ctrl+K. This will try to remove all the text which is after the cursor. Thanks for watching. Today we are going to learn Ctrl+L shortcut key. Now let's get started. Ctrl+L shortcut key is used to clear the terminal screen. If I run Ctrl+L, it will try to clear the screen, but you will still see the history in your terminal. Thanks for watching. Going to learn Ctrl+M shortcut key. Now let's get started. I'm going to type command echo hello. This Ctrl+M shortcut key is used when your enter key is not working. Now let's try to use Ctrl+M. It should work as enter. Here you can see it is working fine as expected. In this series, we have also seen another shortcut key which can also be used as a replacement for enter command. If you know that shortcut key, then please drop your answer in comments. Thanks for watching. Today we are going to learn Ctrl+N shortcut key. Now let's get started. Here I have switched my terminal. Here I am going to run some commands ls-l. We all know that if we use up arrow, it will show the previous executed command. If I use another up arrow, it will try to show the previous executed command. If I use down arrow, it will show the latest command. Now this Ctrl+N shortcut key is used to show the latest command which we try to run in our terminal. If I use Ctrl+N, here you can see it will show ls-l. Thanks for watching. Today we are going to learn Ctrl+O shortcut key. Now let's get started. Here I have switched to my terminal. Here I am going to use Ctrl+R. Will enable reverse search. Here I am going to search for ls command. Here you can see it showed me a result. Now say if I want to execute this command, I can use Ctrl+O. If I use Ctrl+O, here you can see it will try to execute the command. Here you can see it has executed the command. Thanks for watching. Today we are going to learn Ctrl+P shortcut key. Now let's get started. Here I'm going to switch to my terminal. You can see I've already executed some commands in my terminal. This Ctrl+P shortcut key is used to get the previous executed command. You can also use up arrow to get the previous executed command. Both will work. Thanks for watching. Today we are going to learn Ctrl+Q shortcut key. Now let's get started. I'm going to switch to my terminal. Here I am going to type ls command. Now I'm going to use a keyboard shortcut key that I will reveal in the end of shorts. Now if I try to type anything, it will not print or type in your screen. It is because we have clicked the shortcut key which will pause the terminal. Here you need to use Ctrl+Q, then only your terminal will get resumed. The key which I use to pause the terminal execution is Ctrl+S. Thanks for watching. Every developer or tester must know this shortcut key. Now let's get started. Here I'm going to open my terminal. Then I'm going to use this shortcut key Ctrl+R. This shortcut key will open this reverse search in your terminal. Now if you try to type any keyword, it will try to search your history, and if it find any matches, then it will try to list down here. To run this search result command, you need to use Ctrl+O. Now if I try to use Ctrl+O, here you can see it has executed that particular result. Thanks for watching. Use this Ctrl+S shortcut key to fool your friends. Now let's get started. Here I'm going to switch to my terminal. Then I'm going to type ls. After that I'm going to use this Ctrl+S shortcut key. This will pause the terminal. Now if your friend try to type some text or the keys, it will not work. You need to use Ctrl+Q. Then only it will get released. That means it will try to quit from this pause mode. Then all your enter or the keys will be shown on the screen. Thanks for watching. We are going to learn this amazing shortcut key which will swap the characters which you type in your terminal. Let's get started. I'm going to open my terminal. Then I'm going to type some ls l-. Now say if you want to swap the characters, you can use this Ctrl+T. It will swap the characters which you type. Now ls l- will change to ls-l. Here you can see. Then you can execute your command. Thanks for watching. Today we are going to learn Ctrl+U shortcut key. Now let's get started. I am going to switch to my terminal. Here I am going to type cat ipl.txt. Say if you want to delete all this text, on that case you can use Ctrl+U. Ctrl+U will delete line before the cursor. So before our cursor, we have all this text cat ipl.txt. If I use Ctrl+U, it will try to delete all these things. In this series, we also learn how to delete line after cursor. If you know that shortcut key, please comment in this shorts. Thanks for watching. Today we are going to learn Ctrl+V shortcut key. Now let's get started. Sorry, I'm kidding. We don't have any shortcut that is been assigned to this Ctrl+V shortcut key. Today we are going to learn Ctrl+W shortcut key. Now let's get started. I'm going to switch to my terminal. Here I'm going to type cat ipl.txt. Say I have changed my mind. Now I want to print the international.txt file content. On that case I can use this Ctrl+W shortcut key, which will try to cut the word. Then I can type the new word which I want. I want to type international.txt. Now if I hit enter, it will work fine. Thanks for watching. Today we are going to learn Ctrl+X shortcut key. Now let's get started. If you are following this series from the beginning, like where we started to learn Ctrl+A shortcut key, then you know that if you type a command ls-l, for example, then if you use Ctrl+A, it will bring the cursor to the beginning of the line. If you use Ctrl+E, it will bring the cursor to the end. If you use Ctrl+X, it will try to switch between the cursor at the beginning and at the end. At the beginning and at the end. This is how it works. Thanks for watching. Following this series from the beginning, then you know this amazing shortcuts which I'm going to revise in this shorts. Let me switch to my terminal. First I'm going to type ls-l command. If I try to use Ctrl+U, it will delete the line before the cursor. This Ctrl+Y shortcut key is used to undo the erase content. Here you can see it came back. Thanks for watching. Today we are going to learn Ctrl+Z shortcut key. Now let's get started. Here I'm going to open terminal and files. Why am I opening files here? Is Ctrl+Z shortcut key can also be used in files. And I'm going to delete this file and I'm going to use Ctrl+Z. This Ctrl+Z will undo the delete operation. It is amazing, right? If you're watching this series from the beginning, then please drop your feedback or suggestion in comment section. You can also use this Ctrl+Z in terminal. It is used as a replacement, like when Ctrl+C is not working, you can use Ctrl+Z to kill the process, kill the running process which is executing in your terminal. Thanks for watching.